हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मनी की बात अल्पा के साथ. Importance of nomination in a life insurance policy. Nomination is very important in any type of asset, immovable or financial. In the life insurance too is no different. Having nomination in a life insurance policy is the process of authorizing someone, mainly close relation, to receive the policy money after the policy matures or the death of the policy holder. Normally, a nominee and the heir are the same, but sometimes they may be different depending upon the situation. So, why it is necessary to have a nomination in a life insurance policy, and how does it help? When a policyholder has done nomination, the life insurance company knows that whom to pay the assured money after the demise of the policyholder. If there is no nomination done, it possesses difficulties for the company to give money and for the surviving family members to prove their rightful claim. This may eventually happen, but then one has to go through a cumbersome procedure, sometimes legal too. Sadly, many policyholders approach the issue of nomination rather casually and fail to realize its significance. A proper nomination not only enables fast processing of claims but also helps your loved ones to get the benefits of your policy when they need it the most without any hassle. Please refer chapter number 15 of Every Woman Should Invest, authored by me, and understand why nomination is a very, very important aspect of your financial planning. What if nomination is not done? In the absence of proper nomination, if the policyholder dies, their dependents may have to run from pillar to post to claim the benefits, and this includes extensive paperwork. Consequently, it leads to more delays and botheration. When there is no nomination, the company determines real beneficiaries by various factors. Waiver of legal evidence and an indemnity bond to safeguard relevant parties' interests in case of any dispute regarding the settlement of claims. Recent changes in nomination rules. In order to reduce the stress and cost for the survivors after the demise of policyholders, there are certain changes in the rule. The Amended Insurance Laws Act 2015 treats immediate family members such as parents, spouse, or children who have been made nominee as beneficiary nominees. This implies that beneficiary nominees will be entitled to all insurance benefits in case of an unfortunate incident. The insurance company pays the assured money only to the beneficiary nominees, and the benefits will not be distributed among other legal heirs. So, can you change the nominee? Yes, you can change the nominee multiple times. What is the right time of putting nominee? When you are buying the insurance policy, you must add the nominee at that time. Nomination of a minor. Nomination can be made in favor of minor person, but one also needs to appoint a major person as the appointee along with. Because if the policyholder dies when the nominee is still a minor, then appointee will receive the policy amount on behalf of the minor nominee. So, if you want your loved one and survivors to be free of mental hassle in your absence, always nominate your closed ones at the time of buying insurance policy.
Hope you have liked this knowledge on investing. You can also buy our book Every Woman Should Invest by Alpa Shah, which is available on Amazon India, the link of which is mentioned below in the description. Please like us, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video with all your friends and family